Today, we will uncover the secrets of China's rice production and why the rice of this region is unlike anywhere else in the world. This traditional village is famous for its rice wine and vinegar, and this is the rice terrace where it all started. Today, we are going to explore the stunning scenery and traditional streets that make this area well worth a visit and learn how the world-renowned rice wine is made along the way. First, let's see where the rice is grown. It's still quite early in the morning, so there's a lingering kind of fog around, so actually the visibility on my phone seems better than the camera, but me sending the drone up and we're going to have a look, see if we can see some of the rice fields. According to archaeologists, rice is believed to have been first cultivated around the Yangtze River Valley and Yellow River 11,000 years ago. Today we are in Zhejiang, which is in Shaoxing, and that's not too far away from Shanghai, Hangzhou and Ningbo. It's kind of in the middle. And we are at the rice terrace, the rice fields. Shaoxing is famous for its rice wine, very famous worldwide, and the rice is grown here. So I don't think it's rice growing season. It's coming into winter now, but it's so beautiful and very, very quiet, very peaceful. There's not many people here today. This area is also famous for all its foods that they grow here in the terrace, and they dry them out in big round kind of weaved plates to dry them, and there are persimmons, dates, different types of grains, corn, so many different ones. After the rice is grown, it is harvested, often by hand. Harvesting involves draining the field, waiting for the rice to dry, and then cutting it and gathering it into sheets. The grain is then separated from the stalks and laid out to dry. When it is dry, the husks are separated from the chaff by a process called winnowing. So once they've harvested and picked the rice husks, they lay them out in the sun on like big sheets, which are usually in the middle of the road, which makes it quite hard to drive. And then they have like a short rake where they can turn it over so that they dry really well. This village harvests and dries rice, and also has some beautiful walking routes up in the mountains.
Beneath the shadows of this quiet town, I see you there, your feathers on the ground. Your eyes are heavy with the weight of the world. What's in the life you never could find? Even if you never flown before, you can take a chance and try once more. Don't let your worries weigh you down, down, down. You can still take flight, although you're earthbound.
Literally, we've just pulled off the road to use the bathroom. It's so beautiful. And they have chickens, and anytime I see chickens, it just makes me so happy. Chickens! 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 Chicken! After winnowing, the rice is ready to be fermented. Shaoxing rice wine is a world-renowned rice wine, widely used in cooking delicious Chinese dishes. It is made by fermenting rice water and wheat-based yeast. The ancient town of Anchang is a central hub for rice fermenting and is a must-visit location when you're in Shaoxing. So not only is Shaoxing famous for its rice wine and rice vinegar, it is also famous for its stinky tofu and its fermented vegetables and its dried meats. Shaoxing has more to offer than just its lively villages, ancient towns, and rice fields. It also has some peaceful parks and scenic areas. We're at a local noodle restaurant trying the local Shaoxing noodles. So this is 色乌打面. It's very hot. And Mew got the 3 delicacies. What's that? 三鲜面. So Mew thinks that the delicacies are the shrimp and the tofu and meat, and also
there's the mushroom.
Yeah, there's a, which I guess is probably a fermented mushroom. Yeah. Bon appetit. 好吃吗?
That's really good.
A popular place to visit when in Shaoxing is Donghu. Entrance tickets cost around 50 RMB each, and when you get into the park, you can see the beautiful trees and also take a little boat ride. In the evening, we visited the old streets in search of the famous rice wine. We got a Bing, and it's very good. What do you think, you?
It's amazing.
Yeah, it's a bit salty, really nice.
Good. It's so cheap.
How much was it?
10 块.
Good. Better quality Shaoxing wine can be drunk as a beverage, whereas other rice wines are made into cooking vinegar and even soy sauce. So this is some of the rice wine that's made with the Shaoxing rice. It smells really strong. Actually, that was nicer than I was expecting. It's not bad, a bit fruity. This insightful journey into how rice is harvested and fermented has given me a greater appreciation of a food I consume regularly here in China. If you like this style of educational travel video, let us know in the comments. As always, thank you for watching, and until next time, bye bye!